Investing Basics, 7 Tips for the DIY Investor. Entrepreneur and best-selling author, John Jack Bogle was a legend of U.S. investing. He became famous as the father of tracker funds when he founded investment company Vanguard, which is now the world's second-largest fund manager with $4.9 trillion under management. Bogle believed that rationality beats emotion, and advised that, in investing, or life in general, you should always learn from the best. In an article for the CFA Institute in 2017, he summarized the basic rules of investment in 7 short tips. Invest you must. The biggest risk facing investors is not short-term volatility, but not earning a sufficient return on their capital as it accumulates. Time is your friend. Investing is a virtuous habit best started as early as possible. Enjoy the magic of compounding returns. Even modest investments in your 20s can grow to staggering amounts over an investment lifetime. Impulse is your enemy. Eliminate emotion. Have rational expectations for future returns, and avoid changing them in response to ephemeral noise from Wall Street. Avoid acting on what may appear to be unique insights that are in fact shared by millions of others. Basic arithmetic works. Net return is simply the gross return of your investment portfolio, less costs you incur. Keep investment expenses low. Compounding costs can devastate the miracle of compounding returns. Keep it simple. Basic investing is simple, a sensible allocation among stocks, bonds, and cash. A diversified selection of middle-of-the-road, high-grade securities. A careful balancing of risk, return, and cost. Never forget reversion to the mean. A strong performance by a fund is highly likely to revert to the stock market norm, and often below it. As the Bible says, so the last shall be first, and the first last. Matthew 20:16, stay the course. The most important advice I can give you. Regardless of what happens in markets, stick to your investment program. Changing strategy at the wrong time can be disastrous to an investor. Those who moved to cash during the financial crisis missed out on a decade-long bull market. Paying tribute after Bogle died in 2019, Warren Buffett said, "John has done more for the entirety of American investors than anyone else I know." For much more visit DIYinvestor.net.